Let's talk about the literary analysis of the Black Girl or the Lanaridi by Osmani Simbene. So before we talk about the literary analysis, we must talk about the background of the author. So Osmani Simbene was born in January 1, 1923 in Ziguinchor, the country of Senegal, and he died on June 9, 2007. Ousmane Sembène is a Senegalese writer, a filmmaker, and a activist. So, what is a Senegalese writer? A Senegalese writer is an author who was born in Senegal, a West African country that that where lives where lives Ousmane Sembène. Ousmane Sembène is also called the father of African cinema. So, why he is being called the father of cinema? It is because he made films about Africa from an African perspective, and he he used African languages in his film, and he inspired many other African filmmakers, and he inspired many other African filmmakers, and also his film Lanoiride or the Black Girl was the first major African film to get the international attention. So, before Usmani Simbini was become a writer, uh, he is also a soldier, a laborer, and activist. So, let's move on into the settings. There are two settings in the film. First is the Dakar in Senegal. The beginning of the story where the protagonist lives in Dakar and dreams of a better life in France. So, the protagonist was namely Dayu Yana. Dayu Yana. So correct me if I'm wrong. So when it comes to pronunciation. So Dayu Yana is uh, siya ang kaabag sa duha ka mag-asawa duha ka mag-asawa namely French Madam and French Monsieur. So si French Monsieur is siya ang bana ni French Madam. So so Diana was he just like what I told earlier that he is kaabag sa ila, and why the protagonist was dreams a better life in France because he feels pag naa siya sa France is better yung life mong dito siya nag-dream, but the expectation is not what really she thinks, or the kaning abi niya mao yang pagtuo nga pag maabot siya dito but dili. So let's move on into the France. So when the two katong mag-asawa is nagplano sila nga mo uli sa ilahang balay sa France. So Diana is being invited by those two partner because because they know that that Diana is wants to become I mean wants she wants to go to the France. So Diana was before siya niadto dito is nag-asa siya approval dito sa iyang family, and then after na is the family of Diana is kaning ni Sugot, tapos um the so nanglakaw na sila, tapos ang pagkaabot ni Diana dito sa France is ang yung expectation is not not the same nga yung makan, because when he arrives in the house of those partner is the mas nadoble yung pagtrabaho. First is katong napa siya sa sa iyang gipuy-an nga asa to ba sa Dakar is ang trabaho dito is medyo gaan-gaan ra, but when she arrives in France is he her work is become more hard because he siya nang tigluto, siya nang tinglaba, siya na manghipos og basta kay kaning siya na mag-prepare sa tanan nila nga mga mga pangtrabaho or mga kailangan niya pangbuhaton sa pangbalay atong katong duha ka mag-asawa. So let's talk about the purpose of the film or the story. First is to criticize the colonialism. The author or Simbini intended to expose the ongoing exploitation of Africans even after the countries gained independence. Uh, Also, the film is it depicts how economic and social power remain in the hands of former colonial powers, and also it highlights the continued oppression and unequal unequal treatment faced by Africans. Just like what I've said, if you saw the film, is to show the impact of cultural displacement. Um, the film was emphasized the challenges of leaving one's home and culture to navigate a new life. So, to show the impact of cultural displacement, the film emphasizes the challenges of leaving one's home and culture to navigate a new and unfamiliar environment. So just like what I've said kagain na nga the protagonist is ni hawa sila sa ilahang sa ilang sa iyang gipuyan. It is because he wants to a better life pud lagi kay, but the expectation is is not nga mo yang gi-expect, but it's kabaliktaran sa iyang gi-expect. Also, the film po is ang purpose po dato is to give a voice to marginalized African women. The author or Simbini aim to challenge the traditional silencing of African women's stories in literature and film. So just like what I've said earlier, di ba, na and the purpose of the po lagi story lagi is to give uh, it's it is a true story, di ba? Nga anong kato siya is true story to siya nga panghitabo sa ang mga panghitabo nga nahitabo dito sa African mong yan atong gihimo nga film. So, let's talk about the the character web. So as you can see there are five characters sa nga nakabutang sa PPTs. First is si Diana is the the protagonist, and first, and sa iyang side is katong si French Madam, which is katong asawa ni French Monsieur, and then into the wait, right side is the his mother and katuyahang igsoon niya mo tong mga nasa character webs.